Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to speed up or slow down audio without voice distortion in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe, support video and channel, thank you so much. So I have already prepared an audio clip on the timeline. Let's slow it down. To do this, right click on the clip, select clip speed duration and put down, for example, 70%. As you can see, the duration of the clip has increased. You can also check the box Maintain Audio Pitch, but I don't recommend it, since the sound is most often obtained electronically. So, let's hear how this audio clip sounds right now.
Black background, brown background.
The voice doesn't sound natural, and how to fix it? To do this, we go to the Effects panel, then Audio Effects. Find the pitch shifter effect, select and drag it to our audio clip. Now select the Effect Controls panel and click the Edit button in the Custom Setup item. To make the voice sound natural, we change the pitch. In this case, we will increase the semitones by 6 points and 50 cents. For the best result, I advise you to test these settings and choose the parameters that are right for you. Okay, let's listen to what we have. Black background, brown background. The voice has become slower and sounds pretty good. Let's compare the result with the original file. The original, black background, brown background. And now the converted one. Black background, brown background. I think it turned out well. Now let's speed up our audio clip by say 150%. And of course we will change the pitch. Now it needs to be lowered. We are listening to the result. Black background, brown background. And now let's compare it with the original. Black background, brown background. Black background, brown background. Not bad. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching and goodbye.